Okay, now we go to the IPO for the sentinel control. What's the meaning of repetition sentinel control? Okay, the loop will stop when the sentinel value is switched. It means the number of loop is not known before the loop begin executing. Okay, for the counter control, the loop already known before the loop begin executing. For the sentinel control, the number of loop is not known before the loop begin executing because the value uh, for the loop stop determined with from the user. Okay, so we go to the general format. Okay, here the process, okay, the keyword here is a repeat, and then until conditions. For the counter control, for conditions. Okay, so this one is until conditions reach. Okay, so we go to the example number 1. Identify input, process and output to calculate the total of mark entered by user until the user key in -1. So -1 is a sentinel value. -1 is a sentinel value. So the condition here is a mark not equal -1. Okay, so uh, the process here and the output, the total of marks. So output is total. The process repeat what? Repeat reading and adding mark to the total until mark equal to -1. Okay. Yang ini nanti saya terang kenapa dia not equal. So kita buat kat sini equal dulu. Okay. Equal -1. So what's the input? Input is the mark. Okay. Mark. So we go to the example number 2. Okay. To accept number input by user. Okay. Input is a number. And then print positive number only. Print positive number only. It means here, the one from the user input, they determine the positive number only. So, dia nak print positive number. So, it's a output. Okay. So, macam mana kita nak tentukan positive number? So, number greater than 0. So, this one is a selections. Okay, after you accept a number and then you determine is it number greater than 0 or not. Okay, if the greater than 0, so you can determine the positive number. So after that, loop will only stop when user enter number 0. So it means, okay, 0 is a sentinel value. Okay, sentinel value ataupun sentinel number. Okay, so how to write the problem analysis? Output here, you want to print only positive number. So what's the process? Repeat what? Repeat reading number and determine positive number until number greater than 0. So determine here is mean uh, the selection ni selections. This one is selection. This one until number equal to 0 is a sentinel control. It mean is a repeat. Okay, what's the input? Input is a number. Okay. So sometimes student kata, okay, repeat reading number and determine positive number based on number greater than 0 until number equal to 0. Okay, pun boleh juga. Okay, or macam ni sahaja. Okay, example number 3. Okay, to calculate the total and average of mark, okay, entered by user until the user key in -1. So -1 is a sentinel value. And then the output you want to total and average. So output here is a total average. Okay, output. Okay. So inputnya mark. Okay. So what's the process? Repeat what? Repeat reading and adding mark to the total until mark equal to -1. And calculate average. Kenapa saya kata calculate average selepas you adding the mark to the total? After you get the value of the total, barulah you akan repetition will stop. Okay, and then after that, barulah dia akan calculate average. Okay. So, input here is mark. Okay, that's all.